Just imagine you want to buy a Nike shoes, right? So that you go to ChatGPT and type a prompt. I want to buy a nice shoes under $200, so place order on Amazon for a buy Nike shoes. So, my question is, can ChatGPT really do that? The answer is recent ChatGPT version cannot do that. But it can just teach how can you buy a Nike shoes. Because of ChatGPT is based on a large language model. That's mean ChatGPT can understand our intention. And according to our intention, it will teach us in our language model. How can you do that? But recently, based on a large actionable model called Rabbitr1 AI device has launched. That's why everyone talking about Rabbitr1 AI device. So that you have already know. This device has features 2.88 touchscreen with a clear display of 640 by 480 pixels, one button for talking, scroll wheel and a USB-C port, 4 GB of RAM, and generous 128 GB. It also supports SIM card, Wi-Fi connection, and Bluetooth connection. In this video, I will tell you what can Rabbitr1 do, and it will completely replace or not ChatGPT. Because of based on large actionable model, this AI device can take action according to our intentions. This AI device will first understand your intention, and it's know what you want to do using it, and so that it will act our tasks which we want from it. Like if you say to this AI device, I want to send message or email to my friend Julie, it can do send message to my friend Julie, and even it can reply your email or messages, but ChatGPT cannot able do that. It's like a you hired personal assistant, but it is a virtual assistant who can control your whole device. Like it's work with single screen, which we usually open multiple screen to do different tasks to different platforms. If you still not understand how it's work, you can compare this device with Google Assistant to understand better. Just like Google Assistant can do few specific tasks only, like open WhatsApp or YouTube, or you can ask something, it will respond you in a voice from same like that. But this Rabbitr1 AI device can do an advanced level. Even Rabbitr1 AI device maker says recently, many virtual devices are coming now, and these device makers are called It's to Smart. But if you try out some time even, it's not able to catch your voice like Alexa or Google Assistant. But what is the use of this camera? So this device camera is also AI based. This camera is not like a mobile phone camera, it is a 360-degree camera. It can analyze what our objects have in front of it, and so that it can also answer your question. Behalf of have object in front of its camera. So let's come on again. Rabbitr1 AI device can able to replace ChatGPT or not? So in my opinion, yes, but not completely, because some of the features has unique of ChatGPT. Like if you want to write an article on AI use in a future topic, then you can take help of this device to do that task, giving command, like hey Rabbitr1 AI. I want to create an article on AI use in a future, so generate article on ChatGPT in 800 words. And ChatGPT will generate article for you. So I think you have learned many things to this video. And if you want to know how AI can guess your exam question with up to 90% accuracy, then check out this video.